Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Design Hub. So please subscribe this channel for latest mechanical design tutorials and job updates and course related videos. So let's go to our topic. Today we are going to draw the toroidal winding in Solidworks. So let's start our drawing. So at first you have to make the background plain white. Go for the options. This will be the units and this is the millimeter. It's okay. Now at first we have to go to the front plane here. Make it perpendicular. Make here one sketch. There will be center line. Make one center line here. This will be the center line. Make one sketch here. This is the circle. The diameter of the circle will be 25 and the distance between these and these will be 50. Exit sketch. Go for the revolve option, select this and select this line and click here. It's look very amazing. Go for the appearances and there will be the rubber appearance and give it the appearance. Now we have make one drawing here, that is select this top plane and make it perpendicular. Go to the 3-point arc here, 3-point arc. That's this and this. Okay, now its dimension will be, radius will be 50. We are going to make two center line, this one center line, this one center line, and another thing is one more center line in here. Okay, that. Go to the dimension. The dimension between these are 10 and this dimension will be 10. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's make exit from sketch. Again go for the top plane, sketch. Okay, here I am going to make one circle here. The circle diameter will be 5. Okay, make one center line. This will be the center line. Give its dimension 66. Okay, I think it's have to be much. Okay, it should be more, that will be 70. That's okay. Now go to the smart dimension, control press and select to this. The angle will be 0 degree. Okay, that's look nice. Okay, and go for the exit sketch. Now you have to go to the sweep option, select this and the control path will be this. Go to the options, create follow path. Profile will be 1 minute, twist value. Okay, this will be the revolution, that will be the 33 degree and that will be the 33 degree and click here. Okay, let's see, we are just making some ring here. and I'm going to change this appearance. This appearance will be just in color in ash. Oh, that looks nice. Now we have to end this bottom line. Okay, just now you have to create one point here, that's reference, that is the axis, and this will be the point. It should be center face. Okay, now go for the surface reference plane. One thing is this point, another is just the top plane. Oh no, this will be the front plane. One minute. Top plane, right plane. Okay, this is okay. Click here. It's okay. Now just select this plane. You can view from there. Just zoom here. You can go this much. Now go for the 3-point arc. So select this point and make this. Okay, this is okay. Now we have to go to the exit sketch and go to the sweep buffer. Select this, and this will be the circular profile. And the circle will be the circle will be 5. Is this may happen? What is the problem here? This is okay. Just click here. You can see that we are gonna end these faces here. Just copy this appearance and paste here. Paste here. If you think just this here, yeah, that is not too much. Is this how I am just end this? For this you have to do the same thing. Just go to the reference, center point, and select this. That is the center point. Now you have to go for the reference plane, select this point, and the second reference will be right plane. Click here. Go for the plane, make here the sketch. Now go for the 3-point arc. Select this point face, and this will be this. Now the radius will be I think 14 is okay. Now if you exit from sketch, if you just select this face, okay, wait, just select this face and make your convert entity. Just go for the sweep option, select this and this, and click here. Yes. Now I am showing you the two process. You can go for this from sweep option, and you just make one convert element here and make this. Is this how I am just in these two faces? Okay, and just hide the 2 point also. Just you can change its color. I want to give it a color of yellow. That's good. Copy and paste. Okay, just paste. Just paste. Just select this face and make one color that will be red with this. And you can just see this is how we can make this coil here. This drawing is do beautiful. And if you want to see from the section view, that is the section view. Okay, and please comment below what type of drawings you want. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, because I will every day I will just upload some of the new designs. And thank you all.